front of me is REALME 11 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Firstly, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Now download this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. If you wish to mute the music right away, tap on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one and tap on Set as Live Wallpaper. Then hit Yes and tap on Apply. Lastly, decide where you wish to apply it, on home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. If you want to, you can also click on this gear at the top left corner. Select I accept in First Things First pop-up. Then manage all of those options or tap on any preset you like. Select Yes in the Load Preset pop-up. Click on the top right corner, then select the bottom one and apply this version of Magic Fluids the same way as the standard one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!